Make sure you have your something hard, okay? Put underneath. Always, okay, this still water, okay? Always lye to water. So it's heat up very fast. Let me pour the rest of the oil in. This is the room temperature. Okay, that's the consistency. Let's pour it out. Otherwise, keep blending, never stop. Haven't done the pH test, but I trust the recipe. Okay, we didn't use any sodium lactate with this recipe. Okay, what we're doing today, we're gonna make a Bastile soap. Okay, Bastile soap. Okay, not Castile. Okay, so what is the difference? Basically, we modified the ingredient a little bit. The 100% olive oil recipe is called Castile soap. Okay, so but that recipe is very slimy. Okay, there's no bubbles, anything like that. Okay, so some people like it, some people don't. But this version here is not a true Castile soap, so that's why we call it a Bastile, a pasteurized version of the Castile version. Okay, so it's the son of Castile, which is called Bastile. Okay, so the ingredient is very similar. Okay, so we have 85% olive oil, just a normal olive oil. Okay, don't use extra virgin. Okay, we have 10% coconut oil and 5% castor oil. With the 10% coconut oil, hopefully there should be more bubbles. Okay, more cleansing, more bubbles, and 5% castor oil. It helps with trace. Okay, because Castile olive oil, 100% olive oil, very hard to trace. But the difference is we're going to use a hot method of soaping, and we're going to use a heavy water discount. Okay, for this recipe, I'm using 1.1 to 1 water to lye. Okay, so we're going to use 1.1 water to dissolve 1 part lye. So I measured the water already. Okay, just haven't measured out the lye yet. So, and also we're gonna put in a mold, a single mold like this. Okay, so it's easy to pop out because once this harden up, once this recipe, this Bastile soap is hardened up, it's really hard to pop out, very hard to cut if you use a log mold. Okay, so this is what I'm using. Prepare your mold. A pro tip: make sure you have your something hard. Okay, put underneath. It's easier to move like this. Okay. Now let me put on my glove, save the gear, and we're good to go. Always, okay, this is still water. Okay, always lye to water, plain water. Okay, it's still water. Slowly pour it in. It still heat up very fast anyway. Yeah. If you scare off the mixing, make sure you freeze the water overnight. Okay, so it's easier. So it's heat up very fast. 43 degrees, 49 degrees. .77 degrees Celsius. Okay, it's all right. Yeah, let it cool down. Now with the oil, we're gonna melt half of the oil. This one has coconut oil in it, so we're gonna, there's some dust in there. That's right. Okay, we're gonna melt this in the microwave. Okay, probably 1.5 minutes. It will heat up. Yeah, with this recipe, everything is very easy, but the heating temperature, the soaping temperature must be high, say around 40 to 45. And we blend it to emulsion only, okay? Don't have to go to trace. So that's the whole idea, okay? Let me pour the rest of the oil in. This is the room temperature. So with this recipe here, it could be used for as a pet, dogs, soap as well. No things at all, no fragrance, because people has allergies could use this as well. Has sensitive to other soap could use this as their alternative. Check the temperature of this one. 24 plus 84. Combine the two together, we should have soap. We should have the right temperature. 59 degrees, 66 degrees. Okay, let's combine this. Have your blender ready, stick blender ready. Everything ready. Okay, check the temperature. 66 degrees. Okay, too hot. Okay, wait till it cool down to the right temperature, then we start soaping. 52 degrees, 50 degrees, 63 degrees. So let it cool down a little further. Yeah, wait another 5 minutes or so, let it cool down, then we start soaping. 48 degrees, 56 degrees. Okay, let's soap. Can't wait anymore. So 48 degrees, 50 degrees. So we in the hot range. Okay, let's pour in. Okay, now we're going to stick blend to get to a emulsion. Okay, usually with 100% olive oil, it's very hard to get to emulsion. Okay, if we don't use this method. Let's try it out. We have emulsion. Okay. Just keep blending a few more, just in case you don't want the oil and the lye separate. Okay, just make sure. That's why this recipe is very difficult. Okay, that's the consistency. I'm satisfied now that it has emulsion. Let's pour it out. Otherwise, keep blending, never stop. Have our mold ready. Okay. One done. Next mold. Oops, bit overflow there. Little bit left, it's all right. makeshift mold. Okay, just use plastic to yeah. Okay, we're done. So we have 12 mold and plus this thing here. So get the thing in like that, and we're done. Okay, I'll show you the pop out as well. 24 hours later, it should pop out. Yeah. But with this recipe, with the low water in the recipe, it should pop out really fast. You know, that's why I use the mold, the single mold there, because otherwise it's pretty hard to cut with the loaf mold. I'll show you the cut as well, the pop out, and I'll talk more about it to you guys. Okay. Okay, it's been over 24 hours, so let's touch it. Still feel a bit wet. Haven't done the pH test, but I trust the recipe. Okay, so it will pop out easily. Let me show you. Okay, let me switch around and I'll pop this out and see what happens. Okay. Still feel a bit sticky, but it's alright. We didn't use any sodium lactate with this recipe, but that's alright. Yeah, 24 hours later, pop out easily. And we have a spare one here as well. Should be easy to pop out. Just peel the, there you go. Extra soap. Okay, that's how it is. It still needs to be cured for another minimum, okay, 1 month. But the longer you let this sit, the better. Okay, with this Bastile Soap, the longer the better. All the ingredients are in the description, and I'll see you next time with another video. Okay.